Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we have an epic battle between two powerful motherboards. On the left, we have the ASUS Prime B450M-A2 AMD AM4, and on the right, we have the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries. Get ready for some serious motherboard showdown. Let's kick things off by talking about everyone's favorite topic, price. The ASUS Prime B450M-A2 comes in at a wallet-friendly price of just $79, while the MSI Pro B550M-VC WiFi ProSeries will set you back around $119. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to save some cash for those late-night online shopping sprees. Moving on to compatibility, both of these motherboards are designed to work with AMD processors. The ASUS Prime B450M-A2 is compatible with Ryzen 5000, 3rd, 2nd, 1st General AMD Ryzen CPUs, while the MSI Pro B550M-VC Wi-Fi ProSeries supports AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3000 series desktop processors. However, keep in mind that the MSI motherboard is not compatible with AMD Ryzen 5 3400G and Ryzen 3 3200G, so if you're rocking one of those CPUs, you might want to stick with the ASUS. Now let's talk features, because who doesn't love a motherboard that goes above and beyond? The ASUS Prime B450M-A2 offers USB 3.2 Gen 2 with 10 gigabits per second ultra-fast transfer speed, onboard M.2 support, and support for up to 128 gigabytes DDR4 with 4400 OC performance. Plus, it comes with optimized cooling features like VRM and PCH heatsinks and flexible fan controls for ultimate cooling and quietness. Talk about keeping your system chill. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B550M-VC Wi-Fi ProSeries boasts Lightning Gen 4x4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozr for a lightning-fast experience. It also has a premium thermal solution with 7WMK pad and additional choke thermal pad. And let's not forget about its powerful design, featuring Core Boost and DDR4 Boost. This motherboard means business. When it comes to build quality, both of these motherboards have got you covered. The ASUS Prime B450M-A2 offers all-round protection with features like Landguard, DRAM overcurrent protection, and overvoltage protection. It even has SafeSlot Core safeguards and a stainless steel back I/O for added durability. And with 1,000+ compatible devices and 8,000+ validation hours, you know they've put this motherboard through its paces. Meanwhile, the MSI Pro B550M-VC Wi-Fi ProSeries comes with a 2 ounces thickened copper PCB for enhanced durability. It also features a Creator Genie and a powerful digital PWM IC. You can trust that this motherboard is built to last. Now let's talk about audio and aesthetics, because we all want our systems to look and sound amazing. The ASUS Prime B450M-A2 boasts outstanding gaming audio with dedicated audio PCB layers and premium Japanese audio capacitors. It also comes with Aura Sync RGB and Armoury Crate utility for ultimate customization. You can sync LED effects across a wide range of compatible PC gear and create a stunning light show. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B550M-VC Wi-Fi ProSeries focuses on delivering a lightning-fast experience, so it doesn't have the same audio and RGB features as the ASUS motherboard. But hey, if you're all about performance, this might not be a deal-breaker for you. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, the ASUS Prime B450M-A2 is highly recommended for its affordability, versatility, efficient features, and durability. It excels in providing a good value for its price, compatibility with various AMD processors, and optimized cooling features. Additionally, it offers outstanding gaming audio and customizable RGB lighting. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B550M-VC Wi-Fi ProSeries is praised for its premium, advanced, and powerful characteristics. It offers lightning-fast transfer speed, a premium thermal solution, and a powerful design. While it lacks certain audio and RGB features, it focuses on delivering a performance-focused experience. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the ASUS Prime B450M-A to AMD AM4 and the MSI Pro B550M-VC Wi-Fi ProSeries. And it's safe to say that both of these motherboards are powerhouses in their own right. It all comes down to your specific needs and budget. Remember, the links to these products are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.